remove the chiefs of the parties, the main leaders of the parties, and things can actually happen. जहाँ पर बड़े लीडर आ जाते हैं वहाँ posturing शुरू हो जाती है. क्या आप यही कहना चाह रही हैं?
I am saying that if the inputs with which we work in the council are also kept in mind while coming up with a final position or a critical position, I'll be quite happy to receive the criticism. But without understanding how layered decision making is to be in a council, in a constitutional body, to give comments sometimes exposes their insufficient understanding.
So the Congress party is saying सरकार आपकी, system उनका चल रहा है क्योंकि आप जो वो suggest करते हैं आप वही करती हैं.
यही बोल रहे हैं ना. भारत देश में जब if there is a leader like Prime Minister Modi, there are opinions being heard and we execute a lot of things for the will of the people. Whereas that comment is never available for their own governments, whether in the states or when they are in the union government. So they should make up their mind whether they want to be joining in forces to take credit, but be gracious while doing that, rather than act smart to say, you know, it's my advice that you followed. Give that advice to your states. Please go to your states and give that advice there and see if it is getting executed. That's your duty. We execute good advice or execute things which are going to help people. So no comparison.
There are statements. For example, Mallikarjun Kharge, leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, has said GST was supposed to be one nation, one tax, but it actually became one nation, 9 taxes. Then Mr. Jairam Ramesh has said that within 20 days you implemented after the Prime Minister's announcement during the August 15th speech at the Red Fort. He says that this was a road roller. It was just a show of a GST council. आपने फैसला तो पहले ही ले लिया था, बाकियों को road roll कर दिया. And some in the Congress are saying कि ये तो 8 साल बहुत देर कर दी. How do you respond to this variety of charges?
Variety of charges all emanating from the same house, which is the Congress party. My worry is they're getting too obsessed and frustrated. They don't know how in the opposition you can still give credit and be in the opposition with respect. They don't seem to understand on matters which are so publicly well received. They can't be at the edges or fringes and talk as though, you know, this is nothing significant. You be a part of this national mainstream to build this country. If economy is doing well, Navika, it is because of the toil, sweat and toil of our common people. Government at best comes up with favorable policies and at best comes up with ecosystems which can be created to help everybody who's doing his business. And therefore, economy going fastest, I thank people of India. Inflation coming down because of the various supply chain bottlenecks which we removed, it's going to help the people down there who are supplying goods, buying goods, and as a result, inflation comes down. Eventually, if we think that we sitting in the opposition are driving the country, I'm sorry, there are times they've driven almost towards chaos, which because there's a responsible ruling dispensation across states, the country is still on, as you say in Hindi, patri mein ja rahi hai. है ना?